Hi guys, my name is Christiaan and I'm here to welcome you to the world of MUJEN. You have a question for yourself probably. What is MUJEN? MUJEN is a shochu. Next question, what is a shochu? Shochu is a Japanese liquor. It's been made over 500 years and it's super popular in Japan. So we brought it to the United States. We're gonna make cocktails with it, which I'm super excited about. We're gonna make the Hollywood cocktail with this. I brought absinthe for you. I brought grenadine. I brought lemon juice. And of course, the star of the show, the MUJEN Original. I have a Tom Collins glass. You should find this at home. If you have a coffee cup, go for it. It works the same. Just looks prettier. And I have a Boston shaker. All things very easy to come by. You guys with me? Let's go. I'm gonna rinse the glass with absinthe. This is just gonna give it a little anisey nose. Before you drink the cocktail and you have it close to your nose and you're like, what do I smell? It's anise. Now, there we go. With the grenadine, 3/4 ounce. Fresh lemon juice. You can make that at home. Don't buy it, please. And MUJEN Original, 2 ounces. I got 2 kinds of ice, in case you were wondering why. 1 ice is for shaking, 1 ice is for the drink. So we're gonna shake it first. Gonna fill the shaker to the rim with ice. And we're gonna give it a quick shake. You with me? There we go. Make sure you get every last drop out of there, because that would be a waste. Got my Hawthorne strainer by hand. There we go. And my crushed ice. Let's see if we can fill this baby up to the top, make a little dome. I think that looks pretty. What do you think? Fresh mint. Now we're gonna make a little mint bouquet. It's very easy to do. Cut it off, hold them together, slap it so you get all the oils out. It's a nice mixture with your absinthe. There we go. The Hollywood. The spirit is MUJEN.